If you ever see a doorbell that looks like this, never press it.
Bro, why does it look like a real face? That's straight up nightmare fuel.
But if you think this cat is unbelievably cute, hit like and subscribe right now. Now, look at this poor dog. He's suffering, barely able to walk, because something deep inside is hurting him. If you ever see a dog like this, don't ignore it. Help immediately. Leave a heart and sea emoji in the comments, and maybe a million angels will bless you for your kindness. Here's the shocking twist. That doorbell isn't a doorbell at all. It's a rare animal, perfectly camouflaged, waiting for its prey. Press it, and it won't ring. It might sink its teeth into you.